Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel for those who want to sell their art online. In today's video, we'll discuss humorous designs and explore why this type of design is more popular among customers on Redbubble. Artful designs are typically created with a certain message or feeling in mind, while humorous designs are meant to be lighthearted and fun. Which type of designs do you think sell better on Redbubble? I've always told you that the customer base on Redbubble prefers to purchase stuff that is humorous or sarcastic. If you want to make some more sales on Redbubble, increasing your sales on Redbubble, or becoming a seller on Redbubble in the first place, you need to have a little bit of humor to add to your designs. It really does help to have a bit of humor in those designs, and I've seen an uptick in some of the designs that I've been a little bit more witty or funny with. When it comes to what sells best on Redbubble, t-shirts and stickers are at the top of the list. If you're looking for a design that will sell well, something humorous is always a good bet. Keep in mind that the most popular products on Redbubble are t-shirts and stickers, so designs that appeal to a wide audience are likely to be the most successful. Humorous designs tend to do well on those products, so if you have a funny bone, put it to good use. Humorous designs tend to do well on those products. Keep in mind that competition is stiff, so you'll need to make sure your designs are top-notch if you want to succeed. If you're one of the many people who runs a Redbubble shop, you may have noticed that your sales have been declining lately. There's a reason for this. People are tired of seeing the same old designs over and over again. They want something new, something fresh, something that will make them laugh. This is where humorous designs come in. Remember that we always look for trends and try to find things that are popular that we can cash in on. And that is true when it comes to the humorous category too. You want to make sure that you're looking for something that you can put a spin on with your original humor. Humorous designs are becoming increasingly popular on Redbubble as people are looking for ways to add a little laughter into their lives. If you can come up with a clever and funny design, you'll start to see an uptick in sales in your shop. Consistency is key when it comes to increasing sales on Redbubble. Make sure to upload new designs regularly and keep improving the quality of your designs. By maintaining a consistent presence on Redbubble, you'll be more likely to attract buyers and make more sales. If you want to be successful on Redbubble, you need to stand out from the crowd. When it comes to humorous designs, it's best to avoid swearing or inappropriate designs. Your job is just to make people laugh, but you don't want to worry about offending anyone. From sassy mugs and t-shirts to hilarious stickers and phone cases, Redbubble has something for everyone. So if you're looking to make people laugh, I'm sure you can come up with something funny and witty. If you're looking to increase your sales on Redbubble, there are a few key things that you can do to optimize your designs and get more eyes on your page. One strategy is to choose tags and titles that accurately reflect your design and style. This way, potential customers can easily find what they're looking for when searching through the site. Another tip is to make sure your designs are high quality and visually appealing. This will help them stand out from the rest and attract attention. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to increasing those all-important sales numbers. Redbubble is a great platform for artists and designers to sell their work, but it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. If you want to be successful on Redbubble, memorize these factors and they'll help you get sales. Make sure your designs are high quality and original. Redbubble shoppers are looking for unique, well-made products, so make sure your designs meet those standards. Use keywords and tags wisely. When potential customers are searching for products on Redbubble, they'll use specific keywords and tags. Use these keywords and tags in your products and descriptions to make sure that your products come up in search results. Use humor in your designs. Many people shop on Redbubble for humorous designs, so if you can make them laugh, you're more likely to make a sale. In conclusion, humor in your designs can increase sales on Redbubble. By making people laugh, you're increasing the chances that they will purchase your product. Additionally, you are making a connection with the customer that can lead to loyalty and repeat business. So if you want to increase your sales, start making people laugh. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video goes up. And if you give this video a like, that is always appreciated. Until the next video, keep creating new designs and uploading to your favorite print-on-demand platforms. We'll see you guys in the next one.